Did you know 64% of companies using AI are creating more jobs, not cutting them? If you're worried about AI taking your job, this video will change how you see the future of work. I'll reveal the truth about AI's real impact on employment and exactly how to prepare your team to thrive in the AI era. I'm Don Ryder, and if you want straight-talking, data-backed insights on AI and business, hit subscribe now so you don't miss Thursday's ROI Masterclass. And drop a comment with your thoughts. It helps us build a smarter community. The media loves the doom and gloom headlines about AI replacing humans, but the real story, it's more about transformation than termination. Today, I'll bust the 3 biggest myths about AI and jobs, share real-world examples from SMEs, and give you a step-by-step plan to prepare your team without breaking the bank. Myth 1. AI replaces entire jobs. The fear is that AI wipes out whole roles overnight. In reality, though, AI usually automates tasks, not entire positions. For example, a marketing manager might use AI to draft emails, but strategy, brand voice, and client relationships still need a human touch. In fact, Oxford Economics found that for every job lost to automation, 2.4 new jobs are created in related fields. Roles that demand creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. In other words, skills AI can't replicate. Myth 2. Only technical roles benefit. Many think AI is just for IT or engineering. Not true. Some of the biggest wins happen in non-technical areas: customer service, sales, marketing, operations. For example, customer service, AI chatbots handle FAQs, freeing humans for complex cases. In sales, AI scores leads so reps can focus on high-value prospects. In marketing, AI generates content variations while humans focus on campaign strategy. Myth 3. Upskilling requires massive investment. You don't need a 6-figure training budget to prepare your team for AI. Most AI literacy can be built through online courses, peer learning, and actual hands-on use of user-friendly tools. In weeks, not months, your team can learn what AI can and can't do, how to write effective prompts, when to trust AI outputs, and when you need to double-check. What actually happens when SMEs use AI well? In practice, when AI is implemented strategically, roles evolve. Admin to analyst, data entry becomes data interpretation. Customer service to customer solutions, routine queries are handled by AI, humans focus on relationships. Sales admin to sales strategist, AI tracks pipelines, humans prepare and close deals. Marketing coordinator to campaign strategist, AI schedules posts, humans craft brand stories. The pattern: AI handles the repetitive work, humans handle the high-value thinking. Step 1. Open communication, be transparent. Address job security concerns head-on. For example, you might say, we're using AI to make your work more interesting and valuable, not to replace you. AI will handle the repetitive stuff so you can focus on creativity, strategy, and problem solving. How to prepare your team. Step 2. Skills assessment. Audit your team's strengths. Ask them, what tasks could AI automate? What higher value work would that free up? What new skills would make your role more effective with AI? Step 3. Learning pathways start with AI basics, then move to practical application. basics, well, what AI is, how it works, strengths and its limits. The application is, well, writing prompts, verifying outputs, using AI as a collaborator. Use resources like Coursera, YouTube tutorials, or indeed my Udemy course on SEO and AI. Step 4. Pilot participation. Get your team involved in testing tools. For example, let your marketing coordinator trial an AI email tool for 2 weeks and then report back. This builds ownership and brings out potential issues early. Time for some real-world transformations. Case 1. An accounting firm. Before AI, junior accountants spent 60% of their time on data entry. After AI implementation, they focus now on client advisory and analysis. Not only did billing rates rise 40%, but job satisfaction also went up, and even client retention improved. Case 2. A marketing agency. Before AI, content creators spent half the time on routine posts. After AI, they focus on strategy and creative projects. The agency is now able to serve 30% more clients with the same team. If you're still worried about AI taking jobs, remember this. Companies that embrace AI grow faster, become more competitive, and create more opportunities. Companies that ignore it risk falling behind. And that's the real threat to job security. So, has this changed how you see AI's impact on your job? Comment below with your biggest concern for you and your team. Coming up on Thursday, I'll show you exactly how to measure ROI on AI projects so you can track results and justify your investment. Subscribe now, and I'll see you on Thursday. Thank you.